very durable, nice controller. Look how nice this thing is. The sticks go right down in there in the bottom. You get the sticks, you just screw them in just like this. And the sticks have this little grippy thing right there on the end. You can fly it without the sticks, just like that. You can fly this drone autonomous with just using the software. You can fly it with your phone, which is only using Wi-Fi, or you can fly it with this. Now, this right here gives you the ability to go hundreds of feet away from you. You can change the settings. It's just a lot easier to use this. It changes the way this drone flies. It's a very affordable controller too. And then it's easy to go between the cine all the way up to the sport mode. You can change it just like that. You can go back home. You got on and off right there. You've got the picture button. This is your gimbal control right there. Very handy. It uses your phone like any of them, and it comes with a couple of cables. Mine, obviously, I'm using an iPhone, so I've got a lightning cable to USB-C, but it does have a USB-C to USB-C. It goes in right there, and it can accommodate, look at the sizes of phone. You can almost run an iPad in this thing. That's how wide this thing is. I've been using this controller, and I've used it on almost all of my flights. It just gives you a lot cleaner way of flying this drone and a little more confidence than using your cell phone, using those little wide sticks like that. If anything gets on your finger, it's really hard to do it. These are nice, kind of tactile feed on the buttons right there. Easy to work it, easy to take pictures, turn the video on and off. For the amount of flying that I do, I use this right here, and this is something I recommend for anyone that has a DJI Neo. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on my DJI Neo little package here. Oh yeah, by the way, get you this case. So I also have this case right here. This is from the company Sky RC-N3 or whatever. Very tough. Your drone will stay safe in here a lot better than those little bags and all that. I think this is the way to go on that too. And it's got the cutout for the DJI on it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on my DJI Neo setup. See you on the next video.